Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is while you're watching this, and thank you for joining me on my Himalayan for a gentle poodle. First thing we're going to look at is the repair that was done after a bit of a whinge of mine. Whinge? Me? Surely not. And don't call me Shirley. To the road near where I live. The previously mentioned pothole that had the white line painted down, it has been repaired, although the grit still remains. However, a little bit further down the A361 heading from Northamptonshire to Oxfordshire and then back to Northamptonshire, then back to Oxfordshire, due to the vagaries of the way the county lines were drawn, sees us head to a lovely little village called Wardington. And for once, I'm not going to complain about the 20-mile-an-hour limit through this village. It's on the route that the HS2 lorries use, so you can obviously expect the damage to the road, but it is also very tight and twisty. If you're not from the UK, a lot of villages and roads therein were not designed for vehicles. They were designed for horses and cattle to get through. So after going through the scenic village with lots of old buildings, we come across this manhole cover, which has got a hole in it. Having a closer look, you can see the extent of the hole and the second one that's forming in the other half of the cover. Now, to give you an idea of the size of this, I didn't want to stand in the middle of the road, but this peg is placed on the 100mm or 4" if you're actually imperial mark on the ruler. And you can see it's quite a large hole now. Of course, being a good citizen, okay, so not a good citizen, but a concerned, but okay, look, just face it, it's me. I've been reporting this for over a year to Oxfordshire County Council. They've promised twice that it would be attended to as a matter of urgency, and it hasn't been. So I thought I'd give it a birthday celebration for a first birthday. Unfortunately, it was a bit breezy to put a candle on the cake, but please feel free to sing along with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, hold cover. Happy birthday to you. And yes, I can't sing, and if you can't either, so much the better. Well, the state of this cover now is at the point where it's about to collapse and cause problems for cars, or it's going to be putting bits of metal into tyres and causing punctures. So if you know anybody from Oxfordshire County Council, especially the roads department, get them to pull their bloody fingers out and sort this out. It's dangerous. I've been reporting it. Report it yourselves as well. Let's see if we can get a mass reporting going in on this, and maybe, just maybe, it won't be celebrating a second birthday. Anyway, from your local road warrior, or should I say toad warrior, tatty bye for now.